All right, this is my second try at this. I got in there and was going to show you in student view on how to do this lab. I mean, we're ready to do lab one. It's going to be all on Canvas. I'm just letting you know that. All right, I've done messing with Top Hat. I'm glad I didn't charge you $20 to buy it. And if you did spend the $20, you can get a refund. They think we're still using it, and that's fine. It's great for my physics and sport class. It's cause I'm still trying to figure out how to do the grading on it. But from here on out, we are going to do this course in Canvas. All right. And now I'm having issues with Canvas, of course. So I thought it would be easy, but it's turning out to not be so easy. But that's okay. We've canceled pre-lab 4 and pre-lab and lab 4. It's a 1 hour class, and so I think it's still legitimate what you've been through. You've been a lab rat for for us, when we change horses, and there's always growing pains. It's going to be good. It's going to work out to be good in the long run. So let's take a look at what you're going to do. And this is where I got stuck last time because I noticed that Canvas does a lot of blue spinning. I didn't know about this blue spinning bullshit stuff, when I moved it over to Canvas, but I'm getting blue spinning and it's driving me crazy. And we'll probably get some more. But anyway, so let's go to home. You already know the syllabus, so let's go to home here and let's go to student view. The student view, and let's go to your modules because that's where it'll be. Okay, so this is what it looks like to you, and here's the how-to videos to do lab 1. All right, so there's some more how-to videos, and those come up, and there they are. Okay, and before there was all this blue spinning, and I didn't know what that was all about. Okay, so you'll watch these 2 videos, and you'll be ready to go on that. So let's go back to modules, and you'll come down here. Here's the actual backyard physics lab. Okay, and we click on this. You open. I thought it was supposed to show up there, but it doesn't. I think there's something. And there it is. Purpose of this reaction time lab. You do not have to answer these questions here because you're going to answer them later on your lab sheets. Okay, there's the derivation of the formula. You're going to have to answer this question a little bit later. Then you're going to do your experiment. And then you do your own investigation. All right, and I show you all this in the 2 videos ahead of time. All right, so we got that. Then you go back to the other modules. Here's your lab worksheet. Dun, dun, dun. I think I can download it like that. Then it'll show up in there. There we are. And I'm sure you could print that if you wanted to. I'm just practicing with me. Yep, there it goes. So you could print that off if you want it, because you're going to need to, because that's your worksheet you're going to turn in. Let's go back to modules. And you scroll down here. Here's the scoring guide. Download that. Open. There's the scoring guide. Okay. You learn all about the null hypothesis in that little second, like 5-minute video that I talk about. Go back to modules. So you'll do your experiment over the next week. Then you come to lab 1. You'll click on that, and you're going to submit an assignment. So let's submit the assignment. There is a due date. Gosh dang it! It is so hard to. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to lose my mind here. I thought I put a due date on this thing. I'm obviously not. I'm going to have to put a due date. Okay, you'll browse, you'll pick a file, browse, pick a file. I'm going to put the scoring guide there. and then I submit the assignment. Now I've got to find a due date. Why? I don't understand. So resubmit assignment is saying, hey, okay, I guess you can go resubmit. All right. So I'm going to leave the student view right now, and let's go figure out why. Because you're submitting a file, I'm not going to give away any secrets here. Let's go to edit. Now you tell me. You tell me when we go through this. This is where you'll upload your lab. Assignment group, there's none. Online, it's strictly a file upload. Okay, so I've already submitted an assignment. Due. How much more assigned to everyone else? Okay, so assigned to everyone. All right, and then assigned to backyard physics. Oh, here, see, this is why this thing just drives me completely crazy. So I want you to know why I'm not crazy. All right, so here we go. Here's the lab. None. Boom. Well, assigned to due date. Okay, let's put in a due date. 14. 11:59. It's available from right now to all this, just in case you run into trouble. A week later, let's add. So let's save it. Due September 14th. There we go. So now let's go back to the student view. Yeah, I just want you to, because I've done that 15 times. I swear I've done that 15 times. So let's go back to our student views to make sure that this works. Have you ever just wanted to reach through a computer and choke somebody? Just like, give me a nerd, any nerd. All right, so let's go to lab 1. Let's see what that looks like on your end. There we go. There we go. There's a due date, and it's open for that extra week. Please don't use that extra week. Turn it in by then. All right. Submission submitted. So that was me. Let's leave the student view. So I think it's going to work now. I think it's all going to work. So out here,